Hello everyone, here are all the accidents caused by careless drivers on the road. Let's continue. Near the station, it's unclear why the driver of the black car was driving at such a speed. Maybe they were sleepy. The driver of the red car was a bit careless at the intersection with traffic lights. Please subscribe to see more great videos, and thank you everyone. The driver was going at high speed when suddenly, an obstacle seemed to appear out of nowhere. The driver lost control and an accident occurred.
Ух ты! Капец!
Oh my God. Did you see?
А по нему что, ходить надо или что делать?
Да.
Тут говорили, ох, ебать мой хуй. Так, тихо, блядь. Вот кто-то
Collisions at intersections with warning lights frequently occur with drivers.
Whoa! Didn't we do well?
In your opinion, which driver was at fault in this situation? The distant camera angle showed that the small car, driving at high speed, caused a serious accident. The driver of the red car deliberately overtook the container truck. Warning: avoid driving too close to large vehicles, as it can easily lead to unwanted collisions.
Without having a car of their own. In fact, the Public Interest Research Group, or PIRG, just did a study that ranks cities in terms of how many residents are car-free, or at least largely car-free.
CPR training session. Visit resultsfirstaid.com.
You put the house on the they take care of.
Can say safely, given the known facts of the case, is that Phoebe Kopus was a pretty normal seeming.
They cross the other border and come this way?
Covers a lot.
And that, my friend, is how you get into an accident.
I wouldn't want to be surprised and squeeze off a round by accident. She's not here.
Oh, dude. Oh shit. Don't know if it cut that. Damn.
Entonces, pues el próximo que teníamos a review es donde llame. Ay,
Oh my god. Oh my god, Karin. ¿Estás bien, mi amor?
Really like these creatures that
What? Jesus. What the fuck?
Great Pop on Sirius XM. The Blend.
Around Seasons of Change, it says sometimes growing up feels like goodbye. Oof. And you know it's not goodbye, but yet it feels like that in the moment. So I don't know if you're dealing.
Oh my lord, what the fuck was that? Look at this guy, bro. Christmas vibes?
Thank you for watching until the end of the video. Please like and subscribe to follow more upcoming videos.